Hey, it's Marissa. Having a designated art space is so important. For many years, my art space was the kitchen table, and I painted here for 4 years. I used to leave my art materials on the table, but whenever we had dinner, I had to clean it all out. And it was very difficult to get motivated to create when everything's tucked away. When I started teaching, I needed more room for my students and for myself to grow. Luckily, we had space in our basement where we can set tables up, add more lights, and I can leave all my paint materials out with easy access to any of my tools, my paint supplies, my paint brushes, and was always inspired, especially when I'm surrounded by my little belly boy here. Guys, meet Belly Boy. It's a very gentle cat, but very shy too. So it doesn't really matter if your space is big or a small little corner in your home, as long as it's your own space to be creative and to be able to just jump in when the inspiration strikes. Where do you create, guys? Share in the comments below. Sweet out. Bye for now.